first step, just lay out the problem, right? And then we're going to turn this into a positive because we have two negatives, okay? When you have two negatives, what happened to it? Turns into a positive. A negative and a negative always gives you a positive. Good, right? So we're going to have this. Now the next step is to turn each of these fractions into what? Improper fractions, right? So that's going to be, keep our negatives, 3 times 5 plus 2 over 5, and then the same thing here, 2 times 7 plus 4 over 7. Now we have 3 and 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17, so negative 17 over 5, plus 2 and 7 is 14, plus 4, that's 18 over 7. Now the next step is to find what? The lowest common denominator, right? So we lay them out individually. It's 5, and I find a multiple of 5. I'm looking for a common multiple, the lowest common multiple, right? So 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and then 40, and so on, right? Now, since I already know they're going to have 35 in common, this is why I stop here. Now, 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Once I get it close to that, once I find the lowest common multiple, I'll stop. I don't need to go any further, right? So I'm going to circle these. And now, the next step is, how do you go from 5 to 35? You times by 7, right? Times by 7. So now, when you do something in the denominator, you have to do the same thing on the numerator. Okay, we talked about that yesterday. So I'll do the same thing here. Now this turns into 7 times negative 17. This is 119 over 35. And this is 90 over 35, right? And all you have to do now is just subtract. What is negative 119 minus 90? Negative 29, right? When you have two numbers of opposite sign, you subtract them and keep the sign of the higher number.
How did you get 90?
5 times 18, that's 90, right? And then you stop here and that's it, all right? So now I want you to repeat the same steps with this problem and the last one, okay? You got it? All right, good. Thank you.